Hi guys, welcome to Spark Media. I am Prabhatej, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you create your Facebook page and promote your business or even yours. Before moving ahead, let me tell you exactly what a Facebook page is. So a Facebook page is generally a professional account or a business account or a business profile of your business on Facebook, with which you can represent what your business is all about, with which you can market your business, promote its products and services, and much more. So you might be thinking that Facebook page is only important for promoting something on Facebook, right? But you are wrong. You need a Facebook page if you're also thinking about marketing something on Instagram, because as we all know, Instagram is also owned by Facebook. So if you're thinking something about that, you need to have a Facebook page, because the Facebook page is the only thing that is gonna help you, that is compulsory if you want to run ads and market your business on both Facebook and Instagram. So without wasting much time, let's move ahead and look at the most simplest way in which you can build your Facebook page.
As you can see, I have opened my Facebook profile, which I have just created for the sake of shooting this video. So in this profile, we are going to add a new page, basically create a new page for an imaginary business of ours, which will be named Chef Grid, in which we would highlight that we market and manufacture professional culinary tools for chefs all across the world. So you can see that there is an icon over here on the top right hand side of the screen, which is mentioned or which highlights as menu. We'll click on it, and then we will move forward to this section, which is create section. Come to option number 4 and click on page. This will redirect you to a new page which will provide you all the required fields which you need to fill in order to create your Facebook page, which starts with page name, category, and then description. Page name is generally your business name, your brand's name, or your name if you are promoting yourself as a celebrity or an influencer. So in our case, we will enter our business name, which is Chef Grid. Then comes the category. So what is a category? A category is something that will describe what your business deals in, what your business exactly is, what your page is all about. So for example, if you are someone who is running and operating an e-commerce website, then you can try writing something like e-commerce. Here. Let's see if it works. Definitely not, right? Because a lot of categories are actually not available in this particular section. So our goal is to choose the one which is most relevant and which resonates to our business activity as well. So in our case, it is something related to kitchen, so I'll add up kitchen and cooking. There are instances like this that you won't be able to find a perfect category for the page, but remember, the one that's most relevant is a good option to go for. Now comes the description. So the description would be a text copy which will represent to the audience about your business. Basically what your business does, its activities, what your page is all about, what your topic stands for. So I'll enter the description, which would be something like, we deal in manufacturing and marketing professional culinary tools, be it a knife or a bowl. We have it all. So I know this description is not at all optimized, but I'm just writing it to complete the process in order to show you how to create and complete the process of creating a page. Okay, so if you are interested in knowing how to optimize your page by writing well optimized username or page name or well optimized descriptions and other activities like that, so I'll create a video soon on that topic. So we'll click on the option named create page, as we have entered all the required details over here, and it will take us to the next two steps, which generally include adding a profile photo and adding the cover photo. Here it is. So make sure that your profile picture is the logo of your business, or it's your face if you are a celebrity. Don't keep the profile pictures, don't keep something as a profile picture that is not relevant or that does not represent you or your business. So now I'll add a cover photo which I don't have right now, but I'll still go forward and put up something which looks good. So it's done. Now we'll click on the option named save, and the basic structure of your page will now be created. It's taking a bit long, but that's fine. Okay, done. Now you can see that we have all the required information in our page, right from the page name to the cover photo. As soon as you do that, you will be presented by a pop-up on your screen which will say connect your Facebook page to WhatsApp. You can do that if you want to add a WhatsApp button to your page as a CTA, or you want to redirect your audiences directly to WhatsApp through an ad. But for now, I'll skip this portion. And then we still have a few basic processes to finish before we end this video. So this is the option number 1, that is create a username. So you can create a username for your page just like any other social media account. This page will also be incomplete without a username. So I'll skip it for now, but make sure that the username is exactly the same as your business name, because that's something that you need to take care of. And then we'll go for add a button. So add a button is something which is also known as CTA, or call to action button, which is the action that you want your audiences to take as soon as they land on your page. For example, I want my audience to follow this page, so I'll add a button named follow. Similarly, there are other options as well. You can go for them if those options are well suitable for your needs and requirements. Then as you scroll down, there are a few drop down kind of menus here, which is establish your page identity, which we have completed. Then comes provide info and preferences, in which you have to add your website, you have to give a link to your website, you have to add a location for your business, basically your business address or service area, and your business working hours if you want to share the working hour details with the audience. You can also add your business contact number, and then again connect WhatsApp, which we have discussed earlier about. Then comes introduce your page, which is a little bit different as compared to other steps. So basically you can invite your friends, your existing customers, or the people you know using this option. So this is something that everyone needs to do, because your Facebook page isn't gonna get new followers out of the blue on the first day. And not just on the first day, you will not get any followers unless you are a very famous brand for about 1 or 2 months. So you have to do something else, which we'll definitely discuss about in our next videos. So for starters, you can invite your friends, customers, etc. Then you can also create a welcome post for your page, and you can include the photos or videos of your business product to catch up the attention of your audiences. Then you can go through this page tips if you want, but we'll definitely discuss about this same topic in a coming video. Okay, so this is it. Creating a Facebook page is no rocket science. It's a very simple process. It just takes a few minutes to do. You just need to have a proper logo, cover picture, a proper business name, and such other details to complete the process quickly. And for now, this is it. I hope you would have enjoyed this video, and I hope that I have shared all the details with you with which you can create your Facebook page. So if you liked this video, then please click on the like button and the subscriber icon as well in order to subscribe us, and definitely don't forget to click on the notification bell icon in order to get notified. Until then, see you soon. Take care.